So in this next video, the customer came to me with a Kawasaki crotch rocket or sports bike, if you will, and it was orange. Her favorite color is green, so she wanted green on there. We decided to go with the pinstriped real fire flames throughout, which I thought, you don't see often. I don't know, I've never seen it. I know it's probably out there. Her dog on one side and her birth sign on the other side. So leave a comment in the comment section. Like and subscribe, you know the drill. It's getting late.